It has been almost a week since Eugenie and Jack Brooksbank wedding, at St. George's Chapel in Windsor. And now proud father of the bride Prince Andrew, has shared further details of his daughter's lavish reception. The Duke of York took to Twitter on Wednesday, where he posted photos of the elaborate flower arrangements, on display at the couple's wedding. The Queen's son revealed that the autumnal bouquets and flower arrangements had been created using foliage from the monarch's own back garden, with the environment in mind. Captioning the images he wrote, "The flower arrangements displayed during the wedding reception, for Princess Eugenie and Jack Brooksbank last Friday, at Windsor Castle were created using autumnal foliage, from Windsor Great Park and biodegradable oasis, following the couple's autumnal theme and eco-friendly request." In a later tweet, the father of two thanked florists Simon Lycett, Paul Thomas, John Plested and Company's Hillier Garden Centre and David Austin Roses, for creating the beautiful arrangements. The enormous floral displays were set out during the newlyweds' reception, at Windsor Castle on Friday, October 12. After the initial reception, the couple's star-studded guest list joined them, in the grounds of the Royal Lodge of Windsor. Prince Andrew and his ex-wife Sarah Ferguson laid on a fairground-themed bash, as guests partied the night away, with Robbie Williams performing Angels and a host of hits by other artists. Fergie, as she is affectionately known, has also taken to Twitter following her youngest's wedding. The Duchess of York took to Twitter shortly after the announcement of Meghan's pregnancy, on Monday, to share some treasured snaps from her daughter's big day. She shared 3 photos in total on her official Twitter account this morning, featuring Princess Eugenie and her new husband Jack Brooksbank. Captioning one of the images, she wrote, "Andrew and I are proud to welcome Jack to the York family." She later captioned another, "So proud of Eugenie and Jack."